De la tierra, quiero yo mi suerte echar, el arroyo de la sierra me complace más que el mar. Guantanamera.
Well, viewers and subscribers, this week kind of has a bit of a twist. You know, I was passing this area on the Kingston waterfront, area that we have covered before, and I saw this group of people, and you know, as the curious person that I am, I stopped to find out what was happening and to realize it was our brothers and sisters from Cuba who were paying respect to one of their lost heroes. The Cuban ambassador explained that, and Mr. Brown, who you'd have also heard speak earlier, explained all of that. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I think it's very important, especially for us as Jamaicans who have had this long-lasting relationship with the Cuban people.
Rosa blanca, Guantanamera, julio como en enero, Guantanamera, vivo una rosa blanca, Guantanamera, julio como en enero, para el amigo sincero que me da su mano franca y para el cruel que me arranca.
My name is Trevor Brown, and I am part of the solidarity movement with Cuba and Jamaica. And today the event that we are having here in what we call Jamaica Malecon, because here in Cuba there's a long wall of this sort. In Havana, we are commemorating the two very important anniversaries, well, three different occasions. The first has to do with the blockade. This year in the United Nations will be I think the 32nd time that the United Nations General Assembly will have the Cubans presenting.
I'm Fermin Quiñones, the Cuban ambassador to Jamaica. We are gathered here to denounce the blockade imposed by the US government against the Cuban people for more than 65 years.
So we are actually doing that kind of commemoration here of the passing of Che Guevara, who was one of the leaders of the Cuban Revolution, and also Camilo Cienfuegos. But it's been done within the context of the blockade being lifted. So we have different speakers from different organizations here, from the Friends of Cuba, from the Cuba Friendship Association, from the Graduates of Cuba, from the Left Alliance for Democracy in Jamaica, and so basically those are the organizations that are represented today. It's an activity that is also being done at other parts in the world, where countries have different kinds of activities.
We are here today to commemorate one of the Cuban national heroes, who is the commander Camilo Cienfuegos, who passed away in 1959, only a few months after the triumph of the Cuban Revolution. Why we come to the sea? Because this hero disappeared when he was flying from Camagüey, one of the Cuban provinces, to Havana in the middle of a storm, as his plane was lost in the sea. That's why all Cubans, for different generations, they, year by year, they go to the sea, they go to the rivers to pay tribute to this hero that come from the people. Sometimes you go to pay tribute to the heroes, going to a monument. But this hero was lost on the sea. Nobody knows, because never a piece of the plane was found. Never, nothing was found from Camilo Cienfuegos. And that's why the way we have to pay tribute to him is going to the sea to bring flowers to him.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Mira, ahora sí.
Guantanamera, con los pobres de la tierra. Guantanamera, quiero yo mi suerte echar. El arroyo de la sierra me complace más que el mar. Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera. Cultivo una rosa blanca, Guantanamera, en julio como en enero. Guantanamera, cultivo una rosa blanca, Guantanamera, en julio como en enero. Para el amigo sincero que me da su mano franca, y para el cruel que me arranca el corazón con que vivo. Guantanamera, y para el cruel que me arranca Guantanamera, el corazón con que vivo. Cargo yo nunca cultivo una rosa blanca. Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera.